Hey guys, welcome to the series of quick report generation using Excel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you that how we can generate a skill-based report, Mount Logan report. You need to enter your information in this sample Excel sheet to generate this report card. So this is a sample report card and which you can see there is a school or institute information like logo, the school name, the report title and the academic year. You need to enter this information in the school details page, school name, address, report name, the class teacher name. The class teacher name has printed over here in the student details and the logo. Here is the academic year. Also, we have entered the grade boundary and which is printed over here at the first table of the report. And now this is in the green color. But if you wish to change the theme, there are a number of options and you can choose one of these themes and copy and paste the theme in the theme cell. So let's move to student details. In the student details, there is a student name, class name, roll number, absent days, present days, and total days. So this student information is printed here, and the attendance is here in the separate table. The total instructional days, present days, and absent days. Let's move further. The student comment. You need to enter this over a student comment over here, and which is printed here. Make sure you have copied and pasted the student name and the roll number from the student details page. Let's move to signature. Here I have four signatures. Means this report supports four signatures, but you can have one, two, or three or four signatures. And you can change the name of the faculty, the designation of the faculty, and the digital signature, and copy and paste the signature over here. Now let's move to the skills. The class skills. The class skills are follow school and classroom skills, respect the rights and properties of the others. Such skills you need to enter over here and enter the school student information like student name, roll number, and the comment. So enter the skills over here and enter the data like the marks or the grades over here, and these skills will print over here. Now let's move to subject skills. There is a separate sheet for each subject and you can enter any number of skills over here for each subject, and make sure you have copy and pasted the student name, roll number from student details page. Now here you can see there are skills like able to pronounce words and correctly, using effective strategies for learning new spellings and correct misspelled words. So like this you can enter subject skills and enter the comment over here, the subject comment. So these skills are printed over here, the skill, the maximum level, and the scored marks. And the total grade is here. And this comment is printed over here, the subject comment. Similarly, you need to enter the skills and the comment for other subjects. This is how we can generate the skill-based Mount Logan report. So go to EduCloud to generate this report and feel free to contact us in case of any queries or further information on support@educloud.in. Thank you.